Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to answer a question that I'm getting quite regularly at the minute, and it is, Paul, why do you push Zoho CRM more than HubSpot CRM? I know you are in bed with them, but do you recommend HubSpot CRM? I get a lot of questions like this, right? I don't push either. I just answer questions based on what people need me to answer. So I've got HubSpot training videos. I've got Zoho CRM training videos. I've got introduction videos on YouTube that get massive views, and I'm going to show you some stats and show you some information just where I'm at, and you'll never see me recommend either. I mean, to be fair, if somebody emailed me, I'd say check out this and check out that, right? I would say do this. So, but not in any of my videos, not in any of my courses would you see me recommend the other on a video, right? But I just want to show you some stats first and some information. So if you go to my courses on your website, this is organized in popularity of people signing up. So Zoho CRM, Quick Start, and Zoho CRM in your new job. These are the two most popular courses on my website. Then there's Zoho Campaigns, Recruits, Projects, Desk. This is all based around Zoho One training, and I'm going to talk to you about the free version of Zoho and the free version of HubSpot, but then when you step up to paying, why Zoho One is 10 times better than HubSpot, in my opinion. And you'll see down here is HubSpot training. So even after Shopify comes to HubSpot, and if I go to groups, the course has been open a couple of weeks. Zoho CRM has got 34 students in there, right? And the ACE, the interview's got 15. And the HubSpot training's got 3. Now, one of them's me. So there's only 2 people on my website that have actually signed up for the free HubSpot training. Whereas within the CRM, there's actually that stat is near closer to 500. What I've done is I've moved platforms a few times, as people will know. So it has been up to 300, 400 on other platforms. So people are asking me about Zoho. So when you look at my channel and you see lots of if you look at my channel and you see lots of YouTube, that's my stats, lots of Zoho CRM questions, it's because a lot of people are asking me questions on how to do stuff in Zoho CRM, right? What I also think within the two, I think HubSpot CRM is free for unlimited users. Zoho CRM is free for 3 users, but what I think is people who sign up for HubSpot are getting probably better support from the help people, from live chat, from people doing things for them. Whereas I think, and I get a lot of feedback from Zoho users, that the support is not as good as they would like. I've never had a problem with Zoho CRM support. If somebody asks me a question I don't know the answer to, I'll just jump on live chat in my account. Now, it may be a case there isn't live chat on the free version, whereas when you pay, you get live chat. So yeah, you can't on my paid version. On my paid version, oh, you don't need to see it. You'll trust me, don't you? On my paid version, there's a live chat, and I just jump on and start asking questions. So people with free Zoho CRM questions ask me, and I jump on and ask the premium support. So I get more questions from the free version. So one thing, everybody I know, or everybody I sort of talk to, will sign up for HubSpot, love it, like it, and enjoy using it from what I can tell. My only issue really with the free version is when you go through the tabs, it's the padlocks. I hate the padlocks. There's more, I don't know, there's like more padlocks than a romantic bridge in Paris. Like, why? Just obviously you've not paid for this, so you've got to upgrade to this. Upgrade. So I don't like that you offer something free, but then you put roadblocks in place to say, well, that's paid version. Oh, it'd be cool if we could do right, can't do a workflow. Got to pay for it. You know, reports, maybe partner. Oh, that's me. So that's probably the only thing I don't like about HubSpot CRM's free version is the padlocks, where it's obviously wanting your money. The partner information's interesting too. So another question is, why do you push Zoho CRM more than HubSpot? Which I don't think I do. I just do more videos. is the HubSpot partner program, which I'm a member of, do not have an affiliate scheme where I can recommend people to HubSpot and get paid. They want me to train, manage, and support you as a user, which I don't offer that service. I don't offer it for Zoho either. Whereas with Zoho, they will pay me 25% of anything that people sign up for in the first 3 years and 15% for the fourth year. So I get paid by Zoho for training people, really. So that's why on my website you'll see Zoho Partner, you know, where you can jump in and I explain this helps me continue free training. If you tell Zoho I'm your partner, I get some money. If you've already started paying, I don't get paid. So it's another reason why I'm more Zoho orientated, but not a full reason why I push it more than that. If we look at the stats, I had this open, and let me just show you this as well. So if I go to this HubSpot CRM, people say, why do you push Zoho? On this video that's got nearly 25,000 views, people will come in and say, I ask at the start of every video, let me know why you're here. Tell me why you're here. So they come in and tell me, you know, and I'll write, awesome, some training here for you. If any questions, I started a consulting business. Awesome, all the best for consulting. HubSpot will get you sorted for sure. I could, in theory, if I was pushing Zoho on all these comments, which 240 comments, 25,000 views, I could be saying, why haven't you tried Zoho? Why haven't you tried Zoho? You know, oh, great, and thanks to friends for setting up. I hope it helped. This person asked me a lot of deep questions. I said that's not going to happen in this video. Cool, HubSpot will help you do that for sure. Thanks for commenting. Right, so I'm not pushing Zoho. It's just the fact here. Look, number one. This is where it ranks on the tags. So I get quite a lot of views on that video, and I want to come to that as well. The views. I want to show you some view stats. So you'll see this is my last 28-day views. HubSpot is number one with 5,500 views, which is really cool. Thanks for watching. But what you'll see, the next two is my 2018 Zoho video, my 2017 Zoho video, my 2019 Zoho video. So when I add those up, that's 11,000 views. So it's actually twice as many. In fairness, I've got to do a 2019 HubSpot view. And then you'll see Zoho One. Not that many, there's probably another one further up. So view-wise, I get twice as many views on Zoho stuff. So it's another reason I do Zoho more than... But I wanted to come to tell you the real thing that I believe between HubSpot and Zoho is when you go to pay, when you go to upgrade to Sales Professional, when you go here, I think it's going to show me... how do I get to that page I was on before? Marketing, email, create an email, upgrade. Get me to that page where it shows me everything. Create a bundle. Let's just go pricing now. HubSpot. So this is where the difference lies to me. If you're using HubSpot free and you are using it for a couple of years, then you think, oh, I need to upgrade. I'm sick of these padlocks, and you know it's got these features. I could do well with these features, right? There's obviously the marketing, the sales, and the service, and they've got this feature, the starter growth suite. HubSpot's promotion gives you developing team access to starter edition, marketing, blah blah. So it's everything here. It's the starter of everything. So these are all 42 a month, but this growth suite, from what I understand, is 95 a month per user, right? And it's going to give you all these features. There's still obviously things you can't do. There's blocked out things that are gonna limit what you can do, and there's, you know, contacts are 1,000, monthly costs. It's going to cost you £95 per month, and I don't know if that is paid annually or you can pay it monthly. So talk to sales, I don't know. So maybe we'll say that is paid monthly, and I don't know if it is. If you put that against Zoho One, so you think, right, it's time to upgrade Zoho One. I'm going to log out here. It's time to upgrade Zoho CRM. Zoho Enterprise CRM is $35 a month. Zoho One is every single Zoho app for $95, if you go monthly, £85 a month versus £35 a month. So if you've got 5 users, it's £35 a month versus, so it's £95 a month versus 85. But obviously you're still limited within HubSpot for all of these features: standard SSL, CMS membership, Facebook Messenger tools, all these other cool features are all blacked out. With Zoho One, you get every single Zoho app at enterprise level. You get, if we go, how do I get to, resources, it's there. If we go to Zoho One, what you get is, get started, what's included, show me the damn apps, here's the apps. You get everything. So in Zoho One, CRM, motivators, a cool thing, analytics, contacts, sales inboxes, seeing where people open your messages, seeing who I haven't replied, websites, see who's on your website, talk to them live, newsletters, social media posting, surveys, forms, monitoring pages, see who clicks on what, backstages, running events, selling tickets, full desk, full ticketing system, being able to remote support other people's computers, your emails, and email messenger like Slack, manage your projects, have an internal social media network and an external. Showtime of meetings for doing webinars, Writer for doing documents, Sign for e-documents, sending them to customers, getting people to sign up for stuff, managing passwords, your full accounting program. Zoho Books does your accounts for you. Zoho Invoice, sending invoices out, subscriptions, managing people's subscriptions, taking payments, inventory, tracking expenses from users, doing HR for people, doing recruitment, managing CVs, managing people applying for jobs, and then managing the people inside your company, and then other custom apps that you can do other stuff with. So when you put Zoho One next to the paid basic starter growth suite, and even next to marketing, it's even cheaper than marketing, the basic starter marketing hub at 42 quid, because it's $35, $35 a pound. If you've got more than 5 users, it's $35 a month. So why do I push Zoho more? Because I think I would probably say HubSpot CRM free is better than Zoho CRM free. But the minute you upgrade, Zoho One is an unbelievable deal. I use it every day. I use all sorts of these apps. If you ever talk to me live on my website, you're talking to me through Sales IQ. If you ever see me post anything on social media, it's going through Zoho Social. So I didn't put these side by side for a reason. That wasn't what I was trying to do in this video. I was answering the questions. Why do you do more Zoho training? Because now you understand Zoho Recruit is managing people signing up and wanting to join your company. Zoho Projects is managing project management. Zoho Desk is managing a ticketing system, a full ticketing system on customer support. Zoho Books is managing your whole accountants program, and it's all incorporated in that Zoho One training. So nothing against HubSpot, great company, doing great things, probably give great support, which is why I don't get as many questions from them. Zoho offer unbelievable apps, unbelievable pricing, and maybe not amazing support, and that's why I get a lot of questions. So I'm happy that I can help people with Zoho. I'm very happy to help people with HubSpot. I mean, I've literally answered a question today. I don't know if it's going to take me to comments, but comments. I've literally answered HubSpot question today and put them side by side. Not said use this via this. Look, asking for Zoho CRM free and HubSpot CRM free, since you do know a bit about HubSpot. So I don't really think I'm in bed with either, like the question suggested, but I definitely lean more towards Zoho for paid version free version for HubSpot, which is cool, but like I said, I don't get as many questions. So I just wanted to answer that a little bit once and for all because I get it a lot. Hope it helps. See you soon. Cheers, guys.